What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Tucci's Backyard Builds. Hope everyone is doing fine. So today what we got going on, I will be building my brother's QuickPerformance 4.9" with a Trutrac posi unit, 370 gear ratio, 35 spline axles, and a set of 4 piston Wilwood brakes. This will be going into his 1986 Monte Carlo SS. For those that remember, like I mentioned on one of my videos, he was the one that purchased my original 30,000 mile 1986 Monte Carlo SS T-tops. He got big plans for it. He purchased the whole suspension, UMI upper and lower control arms, QA1 coilovers all around, 6 piston Wilwood brakes in the front. I mean, the complete suspension for that car. He does have plans on going with an LSA, if not a LT4 supercharged motor. So definitely gonna be a badass build, so stay tuned for that because I will be building that car. That's what we got going on today, so let's get to work, guys. All right, YouTube. She's all put together. Let me know what you guys think. Like I mentioned, this will be going into my brother's 1986 Monte Carlo SS, along with 6-piston Wilwood brakes up in the front, QA1 coilovers all around, UMI upper and lower control arms. I mean, he purchased a complete suspension for the car. So I should be getting in the car sometime next week. So I'm gonna be removing the whole factory suspension, the rear end. And you guys know the way I like to do it. I'm not just gonna drop in the new suspension just like that. I'm gonna make sure I clean up everything, remove all the dirt and grease from it, paint it up, and then we'll be installing the new suspension and rear end. For those interested in this rear end, this is a QuickPerformance 4.9-inch rear end with a Trutrac posi unit, 370 gear ratio, and 35 spline axles, and a set of 4-piston Wilwood disc brakes. You guys could call QuickPerformance directly. Here's the number right there. That's the number right there. You guys can call them directly. They have great customer service. Just let them know the amount of horsepower you're going with in your car, and they will be able to build you one just for it. But yeah, YouTube, this is pretty much what I got going on today. Tomorrow I'm gonna go check out MIA Motorsports. Like I mentioned on my last video, that I was taking my Pontiac, my 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix 2+2 to MIA Motorsports for they could do the whole turbo pipe fabrication. Well, I did took it to them, so I'm missing a couple of parts that I got to take to them. So tomorrow I'm planning to drive up there. Definitely will make sure, do a video, give you guys a quick update, and then show you guys everything that's been done so far on the car. And like I told you guys, I really love their work. They move really fast. I'm gonna show you guys what they've done so far once we get there, and I give you guys a nice little walkthrough of his shop, show you guys some of the projects he's working on. But yeah, guys, also got to give you guys a quick update also on the 1967 Camaro SS. Like I mentioned as well on my last video, we did drop in the LS motor into it, so definitely gonna have to give you guys a video on that as well, show you guys a little walkthrough of the car and whatnot. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the update I have for you guys. But you know what, before cutting the video, I got somebody that wants to say hi to you guys. Hold on. She just wanted to say hi to you guys. She's been feeling very, very sad ever since her sister left. I told her she'll be back soon, but she is depressed, and she just wanted to say hi to you guys. So give her some attention, guys. As you see, she got her stock wheels on. Like I mentioned on my last video as well, I did order a new set of 24-inch billets for her. So definitely, guys, I'm gonna install it and give you guys a nice little walkthrough of it. Definitely feeling the new wheels. Can't show you guys now, I'm gonna leave it as a surprise. But just letting you guys know, I did purchase some new wheels for her. You guys know I constantly change wheels, man. I don't know what it is. I guess I get bored of the wheels and just want to go for a new look. So just ordered some new sets, man. So can't wait to get them in, put them on, and show you guys. That's pretty much what I got. Thank you all for the love and support. Please make sure you comment below. Let me know how the rear end came out, and if you guys are excited to see the whole build process of my brother's 1986 Monte Carlo SS. But thank you all, man. Appreciate it.